screen is visible to all the girls? So, first question is why is census?
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
hello.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's visible. Your voice is not coming.
No, ma'am.
But
Screen
to
is
me,
also
your
not
screen is not
visible.
visible.
Yes, to me also.
But here is visible.
Yes, now it's visible.
Now it's visible.
Sorry.
Yes, now it
It
is
is clear.
visible.
So, question is why?
Ma'am, present your screen.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Okay.
Now it is clear, girls.
Yes.
Now it is clear.
Okay.
So your question is why is census done? Write your views. In
Ma'am, but
other words, we
screen is
can
not
tell it.
visible.
Data here from here screen is visible. There will be network issue. Delisha, you can see my screen.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Now it is visible. Girls,
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
clear,
Yes.
clear. First question is why is census done? Write your views. Or next we tell it what is the importance of census? Why is the census important? Yes? So why we are counting the census? Why is the census important? Census is important because we have made 5-year plans. Yes? 5-year plans is made for calculating the census. Girls,
Yes.
so for the 5-year plan, then for food, water, residence management, education, defense, we counted census. From after counting the census, how much population is present in our nation, in our country. From that only we will get census. So census is done in order to know the quality of human resource and to plan for economic development. How much we have to progress, how much we have to make it, how much food we have to give to the people, how much water is needed for all the people. So after counting the population census, from that only it is important that we will get food, water, residence management, industries, electricity, employment, education, defense, etc. So the census is important. Clear, girls? Why is it important? It is important for how much we will give food to the people, how for year how much food is needed. So farmer can grow that much crops. Yes. So for that census is important. Clear, girls?
Yes.
Second question you are having. Why is there a speedy system?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Why why of or time when facility due to lack of there
Ma'am, your voice
there
is
was
cutting.
Ma'am.
now is it clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now is it-
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am,
It's
it's not
cutting.
proper.
now my voice is clear. Conan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, now it's clear.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
So second question is why is there a speedy rate of growth population discuss? Okay. And in your textbook it is given why does the population increase at a fast rate? You have to give the reasons. Yes? Anyone? Anyone knows it this answer? Girl? Say yes or no. You are knowing this answer or not? Girls.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we have learned the reasons of all the things that in 1920 there was a disease spread. Yes? In 1920 disease was spread such as cholera and that all things. Then people were dying due to hunger, famine, lack of medical facilities. As there was no medical facility or not a communication facility, um, we were not having transportation facility. Due to that, if the people is sick or a pregnant woman cannot reach to the hospitals on time, due to that the women were dying. So due to this all things, our population, our death rate was increased, our population was low. But after all the research and transport and communication facilities has become fast, sick people are reaching at hospital on time. Yes. So we are getting news of disaster management in advance, our such as tsunamis and flood and that all things. If it is going to come, then we are aware or alert by the news reporters, by newspapers. Yes. So due to this all things, our population is nowadays increasing. People are migrating from smaller towns to cities for the education or a business. Yes. So in 1920, our lifespan of the people was 40 to 41 years, but nowadays it is 63 to 64 years. Yes. So due to this all things, due to this communication facility, transportation facilities, our population is growing. People are aware about this all things. Yes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Understand by birth weight and what
Ma'am, again, your voice is cutting.
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is birth rate and what is death rate?
Ma'am, your voice was cutting.
Now is it clear? Now is it clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's now
Okay,
clear.
tell me what is
Yes,
birth rate and death rate?
ma'am. In birth rate, 1,000 people in 1 year.
The total births per
Uh,
1,000 persons in
pe-
1 year
1 year is
in
called birth
area
rate
is known as
in
birth
area.
rate.
Yes. And what is death rate?
The total deaths of 1,000 persons in 1 year in
In one
given
Number
area
of days
is
in
area.
one
known
year.
as
You
death
have to
rate.
divide it by 1,000 person. Yes. In a specific area is termed as death rate. Clear? Birth
Yes.
rate means number of births in one year per 1,000 persons in a specific area are called birth rate. And death rate means number of persons in one year per 1,000 persons in a specific area is termed as death rate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, girls. Next question is population density. You have to tell me what is population density. Who will tell me? I have explained with the example. I have given the example of the area per square kilometer. Can you remember it?
Yes.
The population density means average number of people living in per square kilometer in an area. If your area is of 2 to 3 kilometer and there people are living, suppose we take it 2,500, yeah? If people are living 500, then you have to divide 500 and your area is of 2 kilometers, then 500 divided by 2. It means population density, or in definitions in line we tell it the average number of people living per square kilometer in an area, or in another words we tell it the proportion of population residing in a specific area is called population density, or in other words we tell it average number of persons living per square kilometer area is termed as population density. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then next question we are having, What do you understand mean by migration? Means you have to tell that what is migration. You have to give the definition of migration. Migration means I have told you that people are changing their lifestyle and moving from one place to another for their habitat. Yes, for their habitat. It means migration. When human population changes their place of habitats from one place to another, it is known as migration. I have explained you that when people is changing, going, moving from one place to another for habitat, then it is known as girls.
Yes.
Clear? Clear what is
Yes.
migration? Say yes or no. Or shall I stop this
Yes, ma'am.
discussion?
No, ma'am.
Shall I stop the discussion? Then I have told you in advance that you have to also answer me. Second question, explain the terms given below. Explain the terms given below. First is literacy. What is literacy? What is literacy? Who will tell me? Shekhani Mahin.
Can
Mahin? Mahin? Conan? Conan?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain what is literacy?
Literacy means the black point, the black dot, or
ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Means an individual of 6 years or above who can or understand any language and can read and write.
Yes, right.
They
Any
considered.
individual who is above 6 or for 6 years can read and write or understand any one language are called literacy. Yes, it is given here. Say it is given here. Any individual 6 years or above who knows to read, write and understand any one language, he or she may be considered literate. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So what is literacy? Any individual who is 6 or above who knows to read or write or understand any one language may be considered as literate. Next. Age group. Age group. Who will tell me?
Means 1 to 14 they come in child, and 14 to
But here it is
uh,
given explain the terms. Here it is given you explain the terms what is age group. Means dividing the total population on the basis. See I am showing you.
yes.
See, the total population of the nations comprises of children, adult and senior group. But we can tell it dividing the total population on the basis of their age. Means they are divided into three groups. Yes, on the basis of their age. On the basis of their age. It is called as age group. Yes. Dividing the total population on the basis of their age into different group is called age group. Clear?
Yes.
Third, population structure or a population composition. What is population structure or population composition? The classification of total population into various groups is called population structure. Means we are classifying all the population into various groups such as age group, sex ratio, literacy, occupational structure, religious group, linguistic group, yes, health group, rural and urban group. In all this group we have divided the population. So what it is called population composition or a population structure. The classification of total population into various groups is called population structure. Clear?
Yes.
What was? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
So first filling the blanks is the density of population noted during 2000. How much population we are having in 2011?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting. We can't hear properly.
The density of population noted during 2011 census is how much population we were having in 2011? Density.
364.
Yes, so answer is 364. Clear? And second, India stands at dash position in the world in terms of population. India stands at dash position in the world in terms of
Second.
population. Second, yes. Clear? The population of people following dash religion is more in India. The population of people following dash religion is more in India.
Hindu.
Yes. The sex ratio in Gujarat as per 2011 census is how much sex ratio it is? 918. How much?
980.
How much it is? 918. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Next is approximately dash percent of total world's population resides in India. Approximately dash percent of total world's population resides in India. 16%. How much it is?
16%. 16.
16%. How much? First answer is 364. Second is second. Third is Hindu. Fourth is fourth is how much it is? 918 and fifth
918.
is 16. Clear?
Yes.
Clear, girls?
Yes.
Clear? I am asking you, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt related to chapter number 6 exercise?
No, ma'am.
No. No, ma'am.
Yes?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So I have sent you extra also. Yes? I have sent you
Yes.
extra
Yes.
notes also. Match the following and MCQ. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That also you want to discuss it? Girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first I am asking that you have to give me the answers. I am asking some questions. Then after we will discuss it. Okay. Tell me define literacy. Define literacy. Who will tell me literacy? What is literacy? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
An individual 6 years or above 6 years that can understand any language or they can read or write, they are considered literate.
Okay. Define sex ratio.
The number of females per thousand males is called sex ratio. Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Of which religion in India? Which religions people are living in India? Anyone? People of which religion live in India? Can anyone girl tell me? Girls. Mahin. People of which religion live in India? Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Jain, Parsi, etc. are living in India. All types of people following different religions are living in India. Yes or no? Girls, I am asking you. Yes or no? Delisha? Delisha?
What, ma'am?
People of which religion live in India? People of which religion live in India?
Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi, etc.
Yes. This all type of people are living in India. That's why
India.
only India is a secular state. Yes?
Yes.
Then define what is population census? What is population census?
To collect information about
To
people
collect
living in a
information
particular
and register.
about people living in a particular area.
Yes, it means population census. Then what is migration? What is migration? Girls, what do you mean by migration?
Where human being changes his place of habit for one place to another.
Yes, for business, for education, they are
For
migrating
the
from one
better
place to.
education, business,
Yes.
industries, etc.
Then resources.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, what are human resources? Girls, what are human resources? I am asking you. Girls,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear my voice? Girls, girls, I am asking you, can you hear my voice?
Yes,
Delisha,
ma'am.
what are human resources? What are human resources? Can anyone tell me what are human resources? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am. That
Tell me.
ability or skills which have in people uh,
Qualitative
qualitative or
characteristics.
quantitative characteristics they have. No, it
Okay.
is known
So
as.
from next lecture we are from next lecture we are starting with our chapter number 9, economics. Okay, economics resources. Yes, clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.